Hello. You're in bed with Sunset Suns. Rory. What happened last night, Rory?
I was in
Tell me the truth.
I was in Copenhagen last night. What happened last night with you? Well,
I went to a gay bar by mistake.
okay, next question. Rob, have you ever been filmed in bed before?
Yes, this one time in Bandcamp. I can't tell you about it.
I don't want to know.
Have you ever been filmed in bed before?
I actually got filmed in bed in Paris, and I Pete and Jed were there.
Here's a question for you.
Okay.
Which song is the ultimate wake-up song?
Alright, for me it's got to be Final Countdown Europe. What about you?
This Must Be the Place. Talking Heads.
We'll have to play it tomorrow morning. Rob, what do you do when you can't sleep?
I get out of bed and I sit under the moonlight and strum the night away with my guitar. And
Wow.
I wake up in a field. With trees and sheep running around me. What about yourself?
Well, when I can't sleep, I watch you sleep.
Oh. I see.
Yeah. Alright, oh, you go. Yeah, sorry, you go.
When was your last pillow fight?
Right now! Sorry, when was your last pillow fight?
My last pillow fight was 3 nights ago with Pete. He's still unconscious.
How could you? Can we get some tea and biscuits, please? Anyone? Anyone?
Tea and biscuits?
Nope. Next question. What happens to you on a full moon?
I turn into a werewolf just like you do.
I don't turn into a werewolf.
Yes, you do.
No.
You're a werewolf right now.
I'm hairy. More Teen Wolf. I turn into Teen Wolf.
He's just like Teen Wolf.
Yes.
Right now. Is it a full moon? It's not a full moon. Hang on a second. Did I answer that question? In a full moon, I turn into a werewolf. You turn into a werewolf. We're both werewolves.
Teen Wolf. Werewolf, Teen Wolf.
If your bed, Rory,
Yes.
was a gateway to another world, where would it lead to?
Ooh, it would have to be Narnia. What about you?
I would go to a galaxy far, far away.
You beat my question. That's the end of it. I've got one more. Alright, okay, so Rob, which monster sleeps under your bed?
Jed Laidlaw, the drummer of our band. He sleeps under our bed. What about you?
It's Jed Laidlaw, drummer of our band, sleeps under both our beds.
We don't share a bed. He sleeps under multiple beds.
Multiple beds.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, come find us on tour. Drag your holy horse cart in the sky.